In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage memory in ChatGPT. If you've ever wished ChatGPT could remember your preferences, like your favorite code format or the tone you prefer, this feature is for you. Memory helps the assistant recall useful, non-sensitive details across conversations so you don't have to repeat yourself, and you remain in control the entire time. Start by opening your browser and searching for ChatGPT. From the results, click the official ChatGPT website. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign into your account so the settings we're about to change are saved to you. Next, open your account menu. On desktop, you'll usually find your profile picture or name in the bottom left corner. On some layouts or mobile, it may appear at the top. Click that, then open Settings. Inside Settings, go to Personalization. Here you'll see the memory toggle. Turn memory on if you want ChatGPT to remember helpful details for future chats, or turn it off if you prefer each conversation to start fresh. Toggling this doesn't delete anything by itself. It just controls whether new details can be remembered moving forward. Right next to the toggle, click Manage. This is where you can review exactly what's been stored. You'll see a list of specific details ChatGPT has learned, such as general preferences or ongoing project context. If something no longer applies, delete it using the trash icon next to that entry. If you want a clean slate, choose Clear ChatGPT's memory to remove all entries at once. This is a quick way to reset what's remembered without affecting your chat history. You can also manage memory right from your current conversation. Just say something like, "Remember that I prefer HTML for coding examples." ChatGPT will store that preference and use it next time. If it picks up something incorrectly, correct it on the spot by saying, "Forget my dietary preferences," or "Don't remember that project name." Clear, direct phrasing works best, and you'll get a confirmation that the memory was updated. A few tips as you use this feature. Only add details you're comfortable having saved, and avoid sensitive information. If you're on a shared or public device, consider turning memory off when you're done. And remember, you're never locked in. Use Manage to prune specifics or clear everything if your needs change. That's it. You now know how to turn memory on or off, review and edit what's stored, and teach or correct details right from your chat.